TV fun and learning for kids. A for aggregate truck. B for boom lift. C for compactor. D for dozer. E for excavation truck. F for front loader. G for gravel truck. H for hopper truck. I for industrial crane. J for jumbo drill. K for Koopo loader. L for log loader. M for mini excavator. N for narrow dumper. O for oil tank truck. P for platform lift. Q for quarry loader. R for road sweeper. S for steamroller. T for track loader. U for utility crane. V for vertical lift. W for wheeled excavator. X for extreme loader. Y for yard crane.